Hi neighbors, welcome back to another video. My name is Jerri-ellen and I'm so happy to see you. I missed you all. I hope that you're all having a wonderful holiday season. Sorry it's been a little bit since I posted a video. I ended up under the weather. Casey ended up under the weather. We've been doing things together, but not going like, I didn't want to drag Casey out to places doing, looking at lights and whatever because he wasn't feeling the greatest. Either was I actually. So we just kind of like been hanging around. So anyway, today's video, my friends, is a crab dip. I've been making this crab dip since the early 90s anyways. This and a few other dips that I take to gatherings or have when people are over that seems to be really enjoyed because it's like lick clean, one of the first things that are gone. So I wanted to share it with you all. I think I got this recipe, part of this recipe, idea of this recipe from my mother-in-law back in the late 80s. So this and like some other dips that I'll link at the end of this video. Anyway, I'm just getting the ingredients ready and then I'll be back to show you how it's done. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple. That's what it's all about, so that you can spend time with your guests, with your loved ones, and put up your feet, have a little drinky poo and a snacky poo.
Okay, neighbors, I'm going to ask you not to blink. That's how fast this recipe is. So I'm adding a block of cream cheese to a bowl. I'm putting a block of cream cheese in there, 250 grams or 8-ounce block. And now I'm going to add half a cup of mayonnaise. I'm using real mayonnaise. If you're using Miracle Whip, use the full fat cream cheese because the Miracle Whip will make this a little bit too thin. So if you can, use mayonnaise, but if not, just use a full fat sour cream. And then you want a half a cup of sour cream. And whip it together with the hand mixer. And did I take the time to say thank you all for being here? I really appreciate it. I hope that you guys all know that. Without you, I would not have this channel. And I love meeting neighbors. So comment down below and say hello. And I hope that you all are going to have the most wonderful and happy New Year and all the best in 2025. And I took a, what do you call that? Microplane. And I grated a half of a small onion to get it to kind of be like liquidy. Till I got a tablespoon. So a tablespoon of a finely grated onion in the mix. You can also, a clove of garlic. You can grate a clove of garlic into this. Just not too much because you really want the crab to shine through. And I have 2 cans of crab. The cans are 170 grams each can, so 6-ounce cans. I'm just using an off-brand of the crab meat because the name brand was only 120 grams a can and more money. So there you go, piece of info. So I'm just adding the 2 cans to this and giving it all a mix about. I strained those cans. I also wipe my cans when I take them home, and then I open them and I strain them. Add in a few dashes of Tabasco sauce, and I'm going to add a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce, about a teaspoon of it, and a teaspoon or 2 of a Lauraise or an all seasoning of choice. If I had some Old Bay left, and I can't believe I don't have any Old Bay left. If I had some Old Bay seasoning, I'd give it a little dash of that too. And I added some pepper. If you have freshly cracked pepper, even better. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So if you had a fresh lemon, that would be half of a fresh lemon. Half of a lemon is usually 1.5 to 2 tablespoons. So 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And give that all a mix about. A little hint though, or a little tipperoonie. The things that look like little lemons in the grocery store, try not to use that. That's not very tasty. Not tasty. If you had fresh parsley, chop up a few tablespoons of fresh parsley and throw that in there. I'm using dried parsley today. And I'm going to also add 1 cup of a sharp cheddar cheese into the mix and mix that all about. I have some great plans, neighbors, for the new year, 2025. Going to be doing a lot of recipes for 2. At least once a week I'll be throwing up a few of those recipes. Well, not literally, you know what I mean, not like throw up the recipes, but I will be making recipes at least once a week. A combination of a few in a video of dinner for 2. I'm going to tell you what this tastes good with, like for serving, and I'm also going to add a little bit more cheese to the top of this because it just makes it look nicer. And if you had some fresh parsley, sprinkle some fresh parsley over the top as well. I'm just going to use a little bit of dry parsley and also add some more cheese to the top of this. Yeah, I'm planning in 2025, I'm going to stick with the 2 videos a week. I would like to do 3, but it's probably 2 videos a week. I'm going to have a little tasty poo and some things you can serve with this. You can have sliced up baguette bread. Look at that. Tasty. I'm not biased or anything because I make this every year. Because it's delicious is why I make it. And people seem to really enjoy it, so I thought I'd share it. I'm serving it with some sociable crackers and nachos. This also tastes good with like the rich sociable, or I think they're called, crackers, and I have some nachos there, but all different types of crackers it tastes great with. Also celery sticks it tastes good with, but it's really good. Again, I want to say thank you so much for being here. The love and support that you give me just keeps me coming back, because how can I not love you guys? You guys are all wonderful. I'll see you again soon. I'm hoping before the new year, but if not, Happy New Year to you all, and peace, love, and God bless. Take care, everyone. See you in the next one. Bye.